Hi friends, it is my first session on YouTube. Here I am going to share a brief knowledge about the human resource management and labor law. Before starting this session, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rana Sarvadaran Singh. I have more than 3 year experience in teaching and 13-year experience in the different industries in human resource and administration. Presently, I am associated with an automobile company as an HR and admin head. Here, if I make any mistake or I miss anything or I left anything, please share with me. Thanks. Let's start the topic. Here we will discuss about the human resource management and industrial relation and labor laws. What is the labor laws in India? Human resource management. On under this topic, we will cover the many points. We will cover here the what is the human resource management, how it's work, what is the important in industry, scope of human resource management functions, what is the functions over there in human resource management model, human resource development, how it will work, what is the important of human resource development, human capital management, what is the human capital management, how it's work, what is the important in current scenarios, human resource planning, how you can plan the in any industry for the manpower, recruitment and selection. We will discuss about the very in very detail what is the recruitment, what is the important of recruitments, what is the tool we are using in the recruitment, what is the function of recruitments and selection. We are also discuss about the employee induction and orientation and what is the important of induction and orientation, what is the difference between induction and orientation, how it's work, and we also discuss about the job analysis, job design, how can analyze the what is the job analysis and how what is the job design. We are also discuss about the performance appraisal, performance management, differences between the appraisal and performance management. We are also discuss about the training and development, employee separations, employee turnover, employee retention. These are the very important for current scenarios for any industry. We are also discuss about the strategic management. What is the strategic HR management? It's a very important topics. There are the many institutions and colleges providing the training for the same. Basics of management you can learn here the very simply. Basic management. What is the management? What is the function of management? What is the type of who? How can we can design the management? What is the important of management? Now we are next cover the industrial relation and labor law in India. Under this topic, we will cover the code of wages, role of HR with the labor law, role of HRM with the labor law, the Employee Compensation Act 1923, the Factories Act. What is the important of Factory Act? What the applicability? We are also discuss here the Payment of Gratuity Act 1972. What is the important? How to calculate the gratuity? What is the applicability of gratuity? Payment of Wages Act. We will discuss here the what is the payment of wages, what is the important minimum wages act, and we also discuss about the trade union and its importance. We will discuss about the Industrial Dispute Act 1947. What is the lockout, layoff, and labor court for dispute in India? Important of labor courts, how we can approach in labor courts for any dispute, how can the settle the dispute in labor courts. We are about the Employee State Insurance Act 1948 ESI. What is the role of ESI? Who is applicable for it? What is what is the important of ESI and how you can calculate and how can the pay the ESI. We are also discuss about the Payment of Bonus Act. What is the Payment of Bonus Act? What is the important? How you can calculate it? What is the applicability and eligibility? We are also discuss about the Employee Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provident. We are also discuss about the Employee Provident Fund and Miscellaneous Provision Act 1952. What is this? How you can calculate the PF and EPF? What is the PF and what is the EPF? And we also discover the under this the what is the EDLI? What is the applicability and eligibility for the PF? What is the limit? and we are the many more in very what is the what's form and how can deposit and how can withdraw, how you can generate the challans and how you can the submit. Now next we will discuss about the child labor prohibition and regulations. We are also discuss about the contract labor, important of contract labor, how you can about the contract labor and what is the contract labor act and what is the applicability and eligibility, who can employ contractor. Next we will discuss about the industrial employment standing order. Well, here under this we will discuss about the importance of standing order in industry. Maternity Benefit Act 1961, Maternity Benefit Amendment Act 2017. Under this we will discuss about the what is the maternity benefits, what is the importance in industry, and what is the role of government or factories. Also discuss about the sexual harassment of women at workplace. It is a very important points. Here we will discuss about the prevention and provision and redressal. We will also discuss about the right of persons with disabilities act 2016, and we are also discuss some other points like the trade union, statutory machinery and voluntary machinery in very detail. Please subscribe and keep watching for upcoming videos. Thanks.